Hello everyone. Today, I'm showing how to make a Windows virtual machine in VirtualBox. So, first steps, you're gonna need an ISO image. So, you'll be going to web browser of choice. And just go search in Windows 11 ISO, download. Just click, should be the first link. Bring you here, and just essentially follow the steps. Then you can hit this. Then just choose your language. And then hit confirm, and then I'll download it. So, the second thing you're going to need is VirtualBox. So, you're going to want to go back on the internet and search up VirtualBox. And then hit download. And then choose your host here. I'm on Windows, so I'll use Windows. And then just save it there. You can just open it. You want to hit yes on the pop-up box. It'll show up. Run it. Hit next. Make sure you read the license. Just hit next. Yes. Yes, you do it again. Yes. Install. I'm actually updating mine as well, so once this finishes, then you just want to open it. And here it is. So once you're in here, you're probably gonna be at tools or something. I don't really remember, it's been a while. But once you're in here, you hit new. Just name it. I name mine Windows 11 VM. I'm gonna bring it over to where the machines are usually stored. Then you're going to want to select your ISO image. So with this, you're going to want to find the Windows 11 ISO that you downloaded. It just might be in the downloads folder. Hit open. And then you can do unattended install, which means you can just put in password. So it will automatically create a login for you. You can also do product key and guest editions. I have no clue what guest editions ISO is, so hardware. 4 gigs RAM should be enough. You can adjust it here. You can also adjust how many CPU cores you can give it. Then here in the hard disk, 80 gigs should be fine. You can change the type of hard disk file. And in unattended install, it is complaining about the host name, so yeah. And if the finish button's not here, just go through these, make sure you don't got any. If I go here, okay, well, it's not gonna do it here, it won't let me. But if you have any spaces in the host name, it will complain, and hit finish. After that, it'll automatically start turning on the virtual machine. If you're doing this, just give it its minute, then just start spamming keys. And then it should start loading your image, your ISO. And then essentially just let it sit as it's going to do everything itself, really. So, let's see, let you guys watch this.
Trapped inside a dream, could have sworn it used to be our home. Echoes filled the streets, in the crowd feeling all alone. Sat right there, oh so quiet, try to hide it. If a new thought formed, we would swallow it down. Empty stares, never question the illusion. If you play alone, they will leave you to drown. Stand up, 'cause we are the movement. Don't stop, straight into the dark. Wake up, 'cause this is the moment, and every fire starts with a spark. A revolution. Stand up, 'cause we are the movement. Don't stop, straight into the dark. Wake up, 'cause this is the moment, and every fire starts with a spark. A revolution. Whispers from the past, like embers inside our souls. Truth will always last, a part of us they can't control. Stayed right there in the silence, fear is sightless, we will not conform. No, we're not backing down. Stand up, 'cause we are the movement. Don't stop, straight into the dark. Wake up, 'cause this is the moment, and every fire starts with a spark. A revolution. We are the movement, straight into the dark. This is the moment, straight into the dark. Revolution. A revolution. A revolution.
Okay, that must mean it's almost done. Yep, there it is. So I have entire Windows virtual machine kind of sitting here. So, final step to making a Windows virtual machine on here. You want to go up here to Devices. You want to click on Insert Guest Edition CD image. That should, if I'm right, yeah, right here. CD drive, VirtualBox guest editions. Just open that. You just go to VirtualBox Windows or VBox Windows editions and hit the yes. And just click next. Click next, throw everything. we'll do that. It's normal. And just reboot the virtual machine. After you do this, it should be able to size to the full window once it boots into the operating system. You may have to do it manually, or sometimes it'll do it itself. And on my computer, sometimes they'll sit at this weird random black box. I think that's only because technically the disk for this, the image, is on my server, not physically connected to this. See, we got sound now, and I can go to right-click side step function, display settings, and I can adjust the resolution to that, or convert that, or I can go to view, or scaled mode, which just kind of makes it scaled. I don't think that's really what I wanted. If I go on the full screen here, it kind of just scales it to what your computer's screen is. That's Control F to do that. The control on the other side of your keyboard, not the one next to the Windows key, would be on the other side. Just like this is a whole Windows virtual machine here. Now, one thing to note is right here, if you open the task manager on the virtual machine, let's say here in the CPU page, virtual machine, let's say yes, so you can know that whatever you're using is a virtual machine. As you can see here. There's one thing I quickly want to check. Alright. No, that's not installed yet. Good. And after that, it essentially just acts like a normal computer. So if you wanted to go right here to kind of the programs, just acts like a whole. Just using Microsoft Edge nowadays is just annoying. God. Thank you. Browse the web and just install programs like normal. So just install Firefox. As an example here, just open up and install Firefox here. As an example, it just acts like a whole normal computer. You can install apps to it. You can. Oh, well, good. Well, that's going to do it on my machine and not the here. So on this, and here you have this host Dell to do it. Okay. And then here, look, here we have Firefox. So I'm going to go to check us. Bring us to the channel here. Our content's kind of mixed, but this will be the first really technology-based video, other than 5G sounds. But I hope you enjoyed this guide of making a Windows 11 virtual machine on Windows. So that's like a whole new computer. That'll be it for this video. The links to everything I used will be in the description, to where you can get the ISO image and where you can get the the VirtualBox to run this entire thing. And I'll also have a guide on how you can do it using Windows Hyper-V on Windows Pro editions. Coming soon. Hope you enjoyed this video on how to make a Windows virtual machine. So, I hope that helps you out, I guess. See you, everyone.